This is Varsha's Education Academy. In this session, we are going to see the Laplace transform and its region of convergence in the subject of signal processing. Right? Now we will see the fifth example. In our last two sessions, we have covered 4 examples nearly based on the exponential signals. Right? In this session, we are going to see one DC signal. See here, they have given the x of t value as 5. So x of t is equal to 5 and it is a DC signal, right? Then how can we plot this signal? This is our x of t. Let us assume this is 5. And this is our time axis, right? This is a DC signal, right? And with its amplitude of 5. See, we can say it is u of minus t and it is u, right side signal as u of t, which is multiplied with this amplitude 5. Here also we have to multiply with this amplitude 5, right? See, we can say it is minus, that is minus u of minus t, right? So we can write our signal as x of t is equal to see here, now x of t is equal to u of t plus u of minus t, right? U of t plus u of minus t. Now we are going to take the Laplace transform, that is x of s is equal to Laplace transform of x of t. So Laplace transform of u of t plus u of minus t, right? So u of t eppadi eduthalam 1 by s plus u of minus t can be written as minus 1 by s, right? So by adding these two expressions we can get it as 0. So x of s, that is Laplace transform of the given signal, is said to be 0. See, we are having a common outside. We are having one amplitude common, right? That the value of amplitude is 5. So 5 into, here we are having 5 outside. So 5 into 5 by s plus minus 5 by s. So x of s is equal to 0. Right? Okay. Now we will plot the region of convergence plot based on the sigma j omega axis. This is our sigma and this is our imaginary axis, that is j omega. Now we will find the plots, poles. See, what is the pole for this expression? By equalizing the denominator to 0, the pole for this equation is s is equal to 0. The pole for this function is s is equal to 0. See, it is having 2 poles. Those 2 poles are at s is equal to 0. That is at origin. So first pole and again one more pole. These 2 poles are at the origin 0. Right? Now see, this is a u of t. See, here we are having u of t. Whether u of t is the right sided signal or left sided signal, u of t is the right sided signal. See here, u of t is the right sided signal. U of minus t is the left sided signal. Now see, for u of plus t, it is a right sided signal, right? So u of t over here, u of minus t over here. Now our region of convergence for u of t will be in this direction. This is the region of convergence for the u of t signal, that is 5 into u of t. This is the region of convergence for the 5 into u of minus t, that is minus 5 by s. This is the region of convergence for this one. Why? Because it is left sided signal, so it is the region of convergence is in the left side of the pole. So for right sided signal, the region of convergence is in the right side of this pole, right? But here we are having 2 poles are at the origin, that is s is equal to 0. See here, there were no common area for these two signals. There were no common area for these two signals. So the region of convergence is, so there is no region of convergence, no ROC. So there is no region of convergence. See here, there is no region of convergence for this signal, for the DC signal, right? Let us see the second type of signal. Example 6. Find the Laplace transform and region of convergence of a signum function. So x of t is equal to signum of t. See, how can we write this equation in values? X of t will be equal to 1 when t greater than 0. X of t is equal to 0 when t is equal to 0. X of t is equal to minus 1 when t is lesser than 0. These are the values. Now we will plot this signum function. These are all important functions, so only I have selected here. So time, this is our x of t, right? So 1 for t greater than 0. So 1 for t greater than 0. Then 0 for 0. 0 for 0. Minus 1 for t lesser than 0. Minus 1 for t lesser than 0. This is the graph for the signum function. This is the graph for the signum function. See, this one is u of t. And this one is u of minus t, but it is in the negative y-axis. So minus u of minus t. So it is minus u of minus t. So we can write our x signal x of t as x of t is equal to u of t minus u of minus t. So u of t minus u of minus t, right? See, now we are going to find the Laplace transform of this x of t signal. Laplace transform of this x of t gives x of s, which is equal to 1 by s minus of u of minus t can be written as minus 1 by s. So 1 by s minus of minus 1 by s gives 2 by s. Now we will find the poles for these two signals. So poles for this first signal, that is u of t, is s is equal to 0. The pole for this u of minus t is s is equal to 0. Now we will plot the pole 0 plot, that is real imaginary axis. Sigma j omega axis. So here we are having s equal to 0, s equal to 0. So the two poles are at the origin as it is in the previous problem. So the two poles are at the origin. Now for this first signal, this is a u of t. U of t is the right sided signal. So u of t is the right sided signal in the sense, so the region of convergence will be in the right side of this pole. So the region of convergence is in the right side of this pole, right? This is u of plus t. For this one, u of minus t, the region of convergence is in the left side to this pole, is s equal to 0. See, there were no common area between these two regions of convergence. This is the region of convergence for u of minus t, which is the left sided signal. U of minus t is the left sided signal. So the region of convergence will be left of this pole 0, right? So now we are going to find the common area between these two regions of convergences. There were no common area between these two regions of convergence. So there is no region of convergence. So there is no region of convergence. That is, region of convergence is empty. So the region of convergence is empty. That is, real set of S is empty, right? This is the answer for this given problem. There is no region of convergence for the given problem, that is signum function. See, already we have seen 4 types of exponential signals. right? In this session we have seen two types of signal. One is DC signal and the other one is signum signal, signum function. You have to remember these two functions will have different Laplace transform values, different types of Laplace transform, but there is no region of convergence. The region of convergence will be empty. There is no common region of convergence, so we have having the region of convergence value as empty, right? If you like this video, do subscribe my channel. If you are having doubts, do comment in the comment box. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video.